yakhe uRonaldo finally got it ngoku indlela yoba rotator like his colors zakhe because iStellenbosch might expect le team bedlale naye kuNetbank and they might get a different team.
They're gonna get a different team.
They will get a different team.
That one is not even arguable. They definitely gonna get a different team.
Then when you play ngomkhuliso no Mayema ba hungry and then you mix them nicely like he's been doing recently, they can cause a problem for Orlando Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch will be playing against a new Sundowns.
Yeah.
That is
but Ethron Stadium in the new
I know. And then because there is something to play for because Stellenbosch is funa ubang number 2 siye ku Champions League. Stellenbosch is funa break record by Sundowns kange bethu lesizini.
It's not just gonna be it's so funny that it's not just gonna be Stellenbosch versus Sundowns.
No,
it's gonna be Stellenbosch versus Sundowns and Pirates. Yeah, because Pirates fans have said, pass your support to Sundowns.
Obviously, bafuna number 2. Bafuna number so kaloku sobile siqabale ke first kwangoku. Temporary alliance yanideka mos.
Hey, it's your boy Coffee, man. I'm out here in Cape Town, Kuguleta, Barcelona, Machujo, Menglau, in a pole. South Africa, man. It's yet another episode of the Black Couch Podcast, my fear. To welcome again. Shout out to everyone who has subscribed on our YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video, you share it, and you comment on the comment section. And shout out to everyone who's following us on Instagram and Facebook. And also shout out to Ikeja Wi-Fi for sponsoring us, man. Check them out on www.ikeja.co.za. It's only 350 a month. Ube online bafethu. And again, it's the popular demand episode with the champions and the Kawyons.
With the Wilson.
Namangomo. Amakhormando abuyisile back. Masiqala champion. How are you feeling to be the champion for the 7th time?
Yeah, man, it's like these stars are align. Like when the logo was designed, they never knew that Sundowns could win the league 7 times in a row.
Yes.
But now, yabona ngoku lo 7 xa suphakamisa phezkwento ngokuba 7 times PSL champion. That's a milestone. That's something massive. It needs to be celebrated. Masiye ku ignore, please.
Yeah.
Nabu favor don't. Let's not ignore milestone.
So there's no more figures to win after this.
There should be 7 stars. 7 stars.
There's no league.
Kef, 7 stars.
League we win 7
Yeah,
times.
Seven times champions. Kef. It's May 7.
But
Then-
again, kaloku the 7 times league title it's 1 time star title. So I'm saying u7 sephelile league so senibambe ka7.
Akaphelanga as such because kaloku if ever iwina ngomnye umuntu imile phakula 7.
Yeah.
Leno ndizamuyitsho.
It's a record.
Minimini so that means akho
Abazuphinda.
Abazuphinda.
Right. Bagred ngoku. And like the one thing I think a lot of Kaizer Chiefs fans are happy about is the fact that they didn't have to do it out of honor.
Woo! Yeah.
But that 5-1.
That 5-1 is a bittersweet one.
Ima, was it before when we did the podcast?
Yeah. It was before.
Before the 5 frauds.
But sorry.
It was nice, man.
It was nice. The 5-1 was nice.
It's nice. Yeah, when if you set yourself up for a trap, then
Yeah.
you get a trap. Yeah, and if you set yourself up for a defeat, it's exactly like the same thing. So I feel like nathi man we like now besingekho ezingqondweni or besingekho kuntoni okanye besingekho hungry enough or but there's something, because after the game of Sundowns you saw a different I saw different energy in players, different like hunger, different like a reasoning to playing. Like I'm playing for something. Ngathi ngoku kuthiwa iChiefs izawudilizwa yonke. Ngathi uqalwe nyani umkhondo weChiefs. Ngathi zonke players. I don't know notafuna ushiyeka mina notafuna ushiyeka type of thing. You know, but after the game you don't understand. Oh, maybe Lambama
it was a wake up call.
Like, hey,
it was a wake up call.
Then let's grind, you know. But I feel like maybe now that we are looking at the new season, a different coach, maybe.
Different.
Kaloku, the thing is, you guys were said to announce a coach, but apparently those are fake news.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying the energy in players. It's either it's a clap or it's a wake up call. Like it's a wake up call, or it's the fact that the new coach must see me that I can play, because it's only how many games? No, 3, 2.
What if
two?
What if the new coach is Nseki?
Ah, yeah, that's impossible.
Nah, but even
That's
if it's
impossible.
him, man, because I feel like since the Chiefs players, since the Chiefs fans, say Kopas is the Chiefs sometimes.
Yeah.
We have a huge influence. We are loudest in the country, but Sibanini. And whenever a Chiefs in a problem, if fans the Chiefs become more. Because we tell about parades, the Sundown, the players, like that. Why am I commenting with Zaki players? If some man you to
Go to ambulance here, crash.
Hey.
Tito.
But like Lenza Muj, like come on, dog. Because I don't want to comment on food of like as this boy if you have more game time in a match or reaching a team. Or you like, what did he do after that 10? Go like 10 like he better put and get up plays to a passing ball. It's not his fault if he ball him doing.
And
why can't you applaud that the boy is saying that thing and then the fucking ball if it's called or something against I don't get that. Ulele is better, is doing like
and I don't like a comparison when it comes with the so-called young players, because in South Africa we call Abanda 21 young players, but I don't like it when it comes to Abanda Basavela, space about comparison. Like there was this comparison was Suka Stellenbosch. It was between Umabena and Orlando. I was like, Umabena is nothing compared to Mfukeni, because Mfukeni has more game time than him. Not saying that Mfukeni is a better player than Mabena or Mabena is better than. So like when you're comparing people, when you look at Ronaldo or Messi, you could compare them. Maybe Dala game in, came out for Barcelona and Madrid in the same league. Now you can compare fairly. Now so comparison umtu of 10 minutes, 20 minutes against umtu 90 minutes. Then
even bra, you call this kind of much comparison, call this kind of much compliment.
Exactly.
I can't say how compliment Uzwan and did Dr. Komalo was better.
That's what we do, Tines fans. That's what we always do. That's what I feel like la 5-1 King Land bebuza. Yazi, if you be any team le fumana red card that early, the score was not gonna be like that. Hence City, they came back with a different energy. I don't know what happened to players in the management after the red card. Like it was like now angata basafuna udlala.
Like why Chiefs inja if the Chiefs go yes it's our fight, but there's that fight for 10 minutes switch off that like why show to the stream, but we're motivated, we didn't expect. And then they will start to that one individual and then the only team in a fun but if I come goes up Belapagame instantly after that, and as I'm going to move with that culture because I felt it now, man, like come on, you gonna be careful that something man red card Kamashian and then what happened? It's exactly the same thing. So I feel like Chiefs in it a coach will figure if you go figure in asking naye abene ndlela yokuba a leader more than a coach. Because I feel like the coaches are go, they're based on the job description, they span and get paper. I'm fair to man, we can strike that, but I can't touch people's heart. You can convert a player.
The human side of the coaching,
you know, inside the player, he may be beast. Obviously, but touch that boy's heart, possibilities, and then you will see the boy giving you. So people all like our coaching Chiefs, I feel like they need that leadership. We need a leader.
I think-
Kaizer Chiefs, not a coach.
I
We
think-
need a leader who's gonna speak as a father to the kids and as an inspiration to the elder ones. I don't know how can I explain it.
I think you are describing Hugo Bruce like to be honest,
Yeah,
man,
but if you- yeah, but
like
exactly,
ngelihlobo
bruh.
uthi like
Exactly,
he might be
bruh.
everything but ngelihlobo sanodescribe ngayo lo muntu omfunayo
Bruh.
umuntu that will believe
Bruh.
in somebody that nobody believes,
Angaceki
nobody
anybody
yeah
also. If
yeah
you're not giving me
yeah
1 + 1 is equal to what? If it's 1,5, okay, mesayidini funa ukuzawukunika.
yeah
And then we can move forward. Because Ubros is doing that. And look at what Ibafana, like how did Ibafana perform? It was not based like Lewis Ichobi Sundowns, it was 7 players or 8
no,
players
it's
from
not.
Sundowns.
He woke up
players
those
were
beasts.
Sundowns, nazo zifakelwe la mfutho abafethu. Yes, we are players Sundowns, but sibonise.
yeah
Sibonise, Chiefs idinga lawe. Beke player pha zonke ezoyi14 ezoyi14 o13 ezoyi13. Ithi umuntu ozawuthatha u11 pha makasibonise uba wayefuna unxiba u11 this weekend.
yeah
Then you will start to see competition within the team, not competition based on the payroll or based on a profile, based on or whatever's favorite. But effect, dog. Kukhutshwa umthetho kwangena la light uvilakazi andayazi igame yangathi kwenzeke ntoni. Uzibuza if la light ibiqale igame kuzakwenzeka ntoni. Because these boys have no fear. These boys have no kanti not if as boys there's about
yeah ohlanti kaloku baranela out nazi contract
yeah
so bedlala nje benaso stress
ba endlini ndinefamily
Yeah.
ndinentontoni ndine-side chick eziyi-5 ndinentontoni yonke nawe but
The
the
boys
they
are
only have
they're
one thing to
enjoying.
say, I have the clean
Yeah.
I have the clean paper here. I just want to write my story.
Yeah.
I want to be happy. If you saw how Kuna look at umfundo Vilakazi ngokubechinja, you could tell ukuthi Kuna sees
Yeah.
himself ngoku wayefumana that opportunity
Damn.
fucking gloves zakhe
Yeah.
for the first time until abengu SA's number 1.
yeah
If
One of
Kuna
the
can see
greatest-
that into a player bona ukuthi boy I'm confident in you that you enyanda boy kangifiki idanise xa ifike ebaleni
Yeah,
as much
yeah.
as isikhathi may not be enough as much as umadlala net because akwazi I always say akwadlala light bra namagqoqo angasimatanga because amagqoqo abantu abadala like experience le soloko beyitsho abantu funeka ibe smart iyazi light isipana nge-energy light isipana nge-spark ngobhuda kwakho ba-flat footed kwakho mfakela ibhoyi kula ndawo ujonge ubiza kwenza ntoni ibhoyi not ubucike u-flat footed hayi ngoku upickapile no usuyicingele intwana fake ibhola ujonge intwana ezosifana ne-opponent now which is what we need kwi-Chiefs which
Yeah.
is why we need Ongcobo which is why we need mna according to mno Castillo yabo umthetho makahlala ebhenchini just imagine if ungadibanisa uNgcobo uCastillo udibanise nalelight umfundo Vilakazi apha emqeni or udibanise uZwane udibanise uNkosi Ndiphile Ngcobo ufakela light usangunansika umfundo Vilakazi the energy emqeni is going to be different dog
Yeah.
abantwana not abantu abazawujika pha
but ingxaki ifike most of the coaches is that xa unabantwana abaninzi at the
But
same time
I know lo
Yeah.
fear but has it been tested
yeah
understand
Yeah.
unganayo mhlawumbe ubuke wayitesta
Yeah,
because
yeah.
kwa 5-1 ibingengobantwana
yeah
if abantu abadala bafumana u5-1
why can't abantwana
Yeah,
bafumana
understand.
6-0?
okay
yeah
Right, he got to 6-0 from Sundowns.
Yeah.
But zange kucomplain uba ku-10-10-10. So wangabethwa abantwana siyazi ukuthi because ilight Bram I always say abona jonga sizaya ku-preseason ngoku. I
yeah
can bet if anyone we-Chiefs one-influence angatesta le way nditshoyo kafake zonke ilight 3 games ujonge beza light zizobethwa dismal kula 3 games na not okokoko zingabethwa okokuqala okwesibini azizobethwa okwesithathu zingaphela ziwina because the light they want to fight back zinalani ba kaloku akwazi unishaya ndingakushaya iback awukwazi undibetha step over ndingakushaya step over
Yeah.
light is na siyabo la traga iqala pha yabo iqala kalincinci
Yeah.
baya kaloku awunonishaya ngespy2 kaloku
Yeah.
bra umdala kanizakubuyisa zakuthatha on nam yabo then
Yeah.
that's game which is what we want and then from there ke ngoku the energy suke back eyemqeni ba undithathe on ngoku zakuthatha on nam xa ifika emqeni okay ubethe i-crossbar mna anti ubetha crossbar mna zobetha u-90 iyayifila leyo nditsho is because
Yeah.
of that but if ever uzofaka amagqala
Yeah.
Draw it to
Yeah.
us. Cautious.
Yeah.
Defender, dog. League iphelile sewuzazi.
Yeah.
Why can't you just play showcase yourself?
I think the best game to test that is when you're playing against the young boys of Cape Town, in Cape Town
Yeah,
space.
yeah,
Like
it makes
there's-
sense.
it won't make sense uba uzobadlala abantwana badlale bonke kuleya match
Yeah.
because bazobedlala ne-age group yabo.
Yeah.
Just give us a good football game at Cape Town.
Yeah.
Sihleli sinqatyelwe zigame ezimnandi Kapa.
Ezibhitsi.
So just give us a good football game uyeke abantwana badlale.
Yeah.
Enjoy against abanye abantwana.
Yeah.
Both teams have nothing to lose.
I feel like
Noba
also
yikuthi
Awukuthi
noba
uyavaya, dog. Why can't uhambe ngebang ifans the-chips? Because fans the-chips
Yeah,
are so
one win bra you
unpredictable.
one win bra you
Yeah,
play.
one umhlangenza umzekelo lo uyadlalisa like zodwa in the last game like le 25 la game 25 Cape Town Spurs adlalisa like zodwa. You might be surprised bangathiwa save vaccine. We need more Johnson and Johnson vaccine. Like the Chiefs fans,
Yeah.
they're so singabantu dog. As much as askabi nahlahle a winner in the
Yeah.
past, but we are people who are full of sense of humor, full of love, full of energy, full of hate, full of yonkino. It's full of it. Yeah, but
Yeah.
at the moment
It's indeed
you
love
do
and
good
peace.
Like game, you'll see it. Even in future yake can be determined by each Chiefs like fans. If yena ngenza good like game asenzele lento sifunayo abeka abahlandi ecaleni.
Yeah.
Umuntu ozawucinga
When I thought what caught your eye in the last 2 weeks? Because of Champions League, we had
They go busy.
Madrid.
They go busy.
City now is on top of the table, going to the last weekend.
Yeah. No, yazi ilento eyona into especially league especially in the world, it has to be the Premier League, bruh. Premier League has to be the most special league in the world,
Yeah.
because if you can look, Inter seyithathile mos,
Yeah, of course, dismal.
Madrid ithathile,
Dismal.
Sundowns ithathile,
Dismal.
yabo, so
Leverkusen.
Leverkusen ithathile,
Dismal.
yabo. So it's
I think by 30, let me check.
which one?
Al Hilal.
Ithathile yewe leyo
Al Hilal.
name ithathile.
Iconic culture pa God of Honor.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that means Cristiano has to do a God of Honor. Cristiano has to do a God of Honor.
So yabona, that's why it's the Premier League. Yona Premier League silinde ulendo Sunday so
Yeah,
waiting for the
But don't you think it's obvious?
we can't say like nyaka we like he surprises benazo, like for example Dortmund song and nobody expected, but
Yeah.
I would say there's only 10% in the world that would say
Is that
Dortmund yeah final.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Umuntu ongeyo Dortmund fan special aveske athi Jersey neutral at Dortmund to the final bambalwa.
Yeah.
So lunyaka has a lot of surprises like
Yeah.
and Arsenal has been falling short and
Yeah.
and from na inhliziyo yami ewe according to history they are against all odds. Arsenal
Yeah.
there's no way Arsenal can win the league, but inhliziyo yami feels like ikhona miracle engenzeka,
Yeah.
and then Arsenal can shock us and be the champions after how many decades now.
Hey, Lord, Arteta deserves it. God,
He deserve it.
Kudala isizwe,
Uyayinida, bruh.
But like one person that I feel like he's the coach of the season with EPL because he made a miracle. Unai Emery. Unai.
Now, yo, did you see the celebration when they got the news? But we into the Champions League because when he got the team, he landed Aston Villa be Pisans.
Yeah.
And then look at what he did, bruh.
Zange yaya Champions League.
First time.
It's like a Leverkusen story.
Unfortunately, we Premier League
Yeah.
about City.
Yeah.
Phew.
But it's a Leverkusen story
that's-
because Leverkusen
he
breakers I record.
no, you deserve umchiti recognition yake like usebenzile.
Yeah.
That was something special to pull that
Yeah.
team yake.
Because like you wouldn't say Pep is he is a contestant, but like it's a well-oiled machine.
Yeah.
It's like uthatha isikorokoro usifixe from the get-go. Yabo. Then ufumana imoto mhlambe
modified
yeah, we say right, yeah, boy.
That like for example nalapha South Africa mna Stellenbosch coach of Stellenbosch nguye coach of the season
Yeah.
unfortunately
Yeah.
like look at how those guys are performing.
Yeah.
Look at from it development yayo mala
The
team
fact that he had to replace players was a replace as a
like
replacer.
key players zathathwayo kule
Yeah.
Stellenbosch. Even now Stellenbosch indlela esistrong ngayo, you can take Ulendo.
They're gonna lose 5 players.
Ngamthatha captain Ban van Rooyen.
Yeah.
You can take Van Rooyen, you can take Titus, you can take
They're gonna
Jaden.
lose 5
You
players.
can take those players, but still, they will still come back and compete because they have a good system. They have a good coach that works hard. It's like fixes oil or coach. Not like a coach fika cofu start party.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayisafaka
So like
kubekwa abaqhuba idonki.
so Unai stories ka Unai is a very special one
Yeah.
and I just wish like we see what happened to Newcastle. Newcastle they got a chance to play in the Champions League. Xa bebuye league they dropped.
Yeah, they dropped.
So
his
I
man.
just hope they get financial backing and they get a big squad to be able to play midweek and weekend. Because it's challenging
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it's challenging.
Champions League.
Champions League is not a child's play. So but I'm happy for
I
them.
was shocked that I got to be part of the conversation because that is Gqibeleni ko 11-10. All of a sudden Gogi Chelsea is part of the conversation. Is fighting to play in Europa or even conference, and I'm like, what? Difike njani
No,
apha?
yabona with Chelsea and Pochettino mna I pray uba nimgcine Brian and give that guy a chance. I feel like it's a work in progress lo like soninzi umsebenzi ofuneka wenziwe pha, but they are moving in the right direction because they can be the most dangerous team this weekend. Next weekend they can be the most vulnerable team. You don't know with Chelsea. So ke ngoku the only thing I need Pochettino is to keep like consistency ngoku. So to keep that consistency ngoku izaphinda ivula budget, you could get some few players budget apha. First 10 games Chelsea imnike Pochettino, trust me, next year Chelsea will be back where they belong, top 6.
Yeah. I believe so. I definitely believe so. Like there were other breaking news that popped up, which was from the French league, that after they lost the PSG, Mbappe officially announced that he's leaving the PSG. But wathi eyokuba uyaphi akakazuyiphendula leyo. But isn't it obvious?
I
No?
think as all pointing at one side. Like omeza bethu njengoba seBarcelona thina omeza bethu apha Madrid. It's all pointing that direction like and if he goes there I feel like Ancelotti is a monster machine pha kuye. It's gonna be a dangerous team.
Yeah, because everyone uphakamisa isandla, Brahim, everyone.
Now
like,
neze bench ni players eMadrid like if forwards eMadrid ngoku they are the most dangerous forwards ezikhoyo ngoku zonke. But ke ngoku xa kumka amaxheko because there's rumors by Xheko ngathi liyammotric abantu bamkixheko ngoku.
I saw a picture of Modric when he was still playing for Tottenham and they were here in South Africa. I was like,
suppose I think that was nice. That was nice.
Man, like I miss those type of games. Now
When I was
there's 2 things now that's left that I feel like they interest a lot of people: the Sunday EPL and Nedbank final. Mbombela, I hope ambulance obe seyifixiwe. Ambulance obe seyi-right. Kuthiwa uphethe i-patient ebiseyi seyingamathambo. and then this Saturday, zonke matches dlala actually one Saturday,
Yeah.
which is unfair. Yo, I hate Kapeli
Yeah,
because
yeah,
Cape Town City has a game at Cape Town Stadium with Richards Bay, and I'm sure Cape Town City would want to beat Richards Bay on behalf of his Spurs,
and Richards Bay,
because there's no Cape Town derby. He's by Stellenbosch City, Kango. There's no Cape Town derby anymore.
But there's still a possibility of
it's just nikubethela uba wena when iyaphuma light yam wena usekhona mandikubethe nawe.
And nabo they wanna still maintain their top 8.
Yeah.
But all roads lead to Athlone Stadium. Again, it's payback time.
But i-payback ayisebenzi. Look sisandodlala ne-TS Galaxy back to back.
Yeah.
Everybody was expecting TS Galaxy when it come to the second game they can, because
Did I watch the second game?
it was leyathunileyo losalulile bethe enye into yakhe.
Yes.
And he's having a bad season with 8 goals. Cookies strikers a team has scored 3 goals, but it's fine. He's having a bad season. So like with the Sundowns ngoku towards the end, mna I feel like la hunger uba sifuna uba invincible ngoku is what is pushing the team. And the rotation yakhe uRonaldo finally got it ngoku indlela yoba rotator, like his colors zakhe ngoku, because iStellenbosch might expect le team bebedlale naye kuNetbank and they might get a different team.
They're gonna get a different team.
They will get a different team.
That one is not even arguable. They definitely gonna get a different team.
Then when you playing Omkhuliso no Mayema ba hungry, and then you mix them nicely like he's been doing recently, they can cause a problem for Orlando Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch will be playing against a new Sundowns.
Yeah.
That is,
but the Athlone Stadium in the new
I know. And then because there is something to play for, because Stellenbosch is funa uba number 2 siye ku Champions League. Stellenbosch is funa break record by Sundowns kange ibethe this season.
It's not just gonna be. It's so funny that it's not just gonna be Stellenbosch versus Sundowns.
No,
it's gonna be Stellenbosch versus Sundowns and Pirates. Yeah, because Pirates fans have said, pass, support
Sundowns. Obviously, bafuna number 2. Bafuna number 2. So kaloku sobile siqabale nge-first kwangoku. Temporary alliance yanideka mos.
It's crazy. It's gonna be a humdinger.
But again, Stellenbosch now, I believe it's one of the teams that I'm confident that they can stop Sundowns if they want to.
Yeah, because nandibalekala record man izothethisa kakhulu. They unbeaten.
Like 30 games unbeaten, unheard of in South Africa.
But that's gonna be a crazy day. Like I can even imagine.
That would be there.
Because like I love Cape Townians. Cape Townians, they are deprived of games.
Yeah.
So whenever there's a beautiful game to watch, it doesn't matter which team plays. Everyone is gonna go there. Because the late Chiefs. That's a sold out. That's a sold out. That one.
Sold out, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
We have to be there for 1 or 2.
Yeah, this time. Even like Sundowns.
Otherwise,
the grand Gwamba late. I was stressing by Stellenbosch. Yasokolisa, man. Yasokolisa. But now it's here. So it's nice, and I think my fans were to us. Ama-fans wethu azobekho
transport ane
yes hayi ke kuhle both days the transport yes
yeah someone is coming and then he's watching no uyahleka probably
hayi ke sikhona conduct ngutawo kanye lisisteri
khona possibility uba ingangutana cha ke ngoku is going to be matter of choice because
Yeah.
khona izawuzona amacithi yabo uba guys ndayincanywa mali leyo eniyenzayo yabo so I want to buy you lunch, I want to buy you
Yes.
everything, so you guys take content.
Yes, bahle mos
One ozawufuna like I think the guy uzaba na element ofuna ukwethelwa tapo things hey brother no ngetha nganithatha manje
Yeah.
TV
Yeah.
I feel like my sister yabo yeah beside the week only fame but I think like my sister top man yabo somehow
Aye.
wait man ngabona ngabe sikhwaza singekaphuma
ewe
sikhona lezi zawuhater yabo afuna boyfriend ka my sister icike ngokuthini akase
Yeah.
please
But
my
like,
sister, man.
kuzoba lead. Are you ready when as a
ready,
content guy?
Pity beningathi voice bingathi yabo
Yeah.
emabhukweni baphuma matrasi yabo so when catch iflu but at least yaphela because I'm fighting it with the chilies so I'll
Do you think that we can get a video that can top the Koala
Koala.
video?
unless the caller is there
None of those teams are sponsored by Adidas.
that was the key. But I believe man it's Amatawana they have vibe we have Amatawana who have vibe who love you know I
Yima
believe-
city indon.
Then
He sponsor.
sesithi
Yeah.
Engu-Cup,
and sa ngayengo
Umbro.
man, yeah, Umbro, yeah, yeah,
Nene Spurs. Puma.
That's exposing, no?
kalama gama ngawe
Cause Stellenbosch Lenkok.
gama gama
But khona man yabona mfethu something I
but
don't
mna
know, but
honestly
something is
speaking
happening.
mna feel like for us basifuma le video engathopa le kati I it will le ibi genuine like so it was not planned
I
so
think
so nathi like so izaphinda xa isenzeka we're gonna feel it but now nansi
And I
yenzeka
feel like that video it's a break it's more not a breakthrough but yeah you can
it's a bit
Yeah,
it's
but
like
because
something
now-
big.
everyone go kubona yes so
Yeah.
and everyone going once wafumana that chance by we in front of them they will want to top that thing
Yeah.
so we don't want to put pressure on ourselves and
Yeah.
to one who
Yeah, abantu banga fake.
Even
Yeah,
though
banga
they
fake, yeah.
so but is gonna come because kaloku uthi kwala naye bewisi soul pha yabona ngala bomb yakhe beqhekeza umhlaba bafethu we love what you are doing
Yeah,
You
feel
guys are
free,
bringing us,
yeah.
yabo. You are protected we got you
Yeah.
but so even there are
Shout
people
out to
now
her.
based on that now that bayava ukuthi sabe sise stadium they want to go because now they believe in the same thing that Muti believes in and they believe in the same thing that we believe in you know so
Yeah.
kuzoba lula man yabo as umhlaba yabo nathi simane awufika lo maqhiqi
Yeah.
start with the right asayifumana
But-
the first Kasi TV to have a ride in the stadium
But shout out to everyone else, man, who pulled through on those videos.
and the energy man
Yeah,
I've been
the
getting
energy.
texts from I think there's a guy who bongs I think
Yeah.
there's bongs ne yeah like umjito like yeah bra yo I love can send the prana video I want it I don't do
Yeah,
the
yeah.
video, bevana la private ngombe caption from
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
you
Yeah,
see
yeah.
that's
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
beautiful
those are the things because that person knows I share because umjita parent ngadi landlord so cinga ke ngoku abantu abahlala pha ko beni text so mina ngumuntu ohlala oyitenant yakhe
Yeah.
sihamba ni landlord yami le
yeah so zonke itenants afuna ubukela landlord yazo
umjita makafaki ikeje yena ngoku pha kuye
Man, sibe nendawo yohlala.
you know abakwazi bale bona
Sibe nendawo yohlala.
but ke it's
Otherwise, before we close,
too quick
before
man too
Eh?
yaphela kuthetha
Eh, man.
the champion
Malage.
but king like kulento asikabikho sure about which team is playing the playoffs up in South Africa we're not sure
Yeah, because it's
Because-
still between Royal AM
ne-Richards
and
Bay
Richards Bay.
and Richards Bay forme kuyo recently mna I see them escaping i-Royal
Just
AM
was better Pirates.
with i-drama yayo
Honestly, I would be happy bangangeni Royal Empire. Yes. Yo,
Like I feel like it's
I'll
just
be really happy, Joe.
That's what I'm hoping for now.
Because I would see, I mean, Mona la Mamba is stress.
ngathi WhatsApp-elo ref ndlela bebhizi ngayizo uthi
stressa, Joe. Ya mama ya stressa.
Yeah, ingxaki yakhe yena shem wayicimba ii-games okuzodlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Wathinta ama-coats.
First person to buy a fan.
Yabo.
Board of fans.
She must come
She
and subscribe.
thinks money can buy everything.
She must subscribe to our OnlyFans. She must get tips to win.
But like, what did you think about la way yakhe Cat Blanche? No, kaloku Cat Blanche did a documentary, a research about la municipality yase Pietermaritzburg. Le yamnika ideal ye millions.
Tender, yeah.
Yabo itender yabo. But city imdaka ta, like chanyelwe endleleni kumdaka, like literally. And then I think mayor or something like that, he's saying that no, the deal was to make sure that xa kuza iteam ezifana ne-Chiefs, because i-Royal M bingadlaleli pha. So kwakuza iteam ezifana ne-Chiefs abantu bayatya. And I'm like, the Chiefs was like, I won a season here. And then
So
what
le
else?
mali engaka it's just for la
understand?
one season xa kuzi
Yeah,
Chiefs,
understand?
right?
It doesn't make sense. Yabo. And then ke ngoku uMamkhize striked kwi-Cat Blanche. Wakhaiza ngantoni? Ngofuna ukwenza i-1-on-1 to clear igama lakhe.
Oh, faka phansi
Bamfaka kwi-interrogation room. Literally interrogation room. Akakayiphethe amaphepha jo, iphethe i-receipts.
You don't do that. You don't do that to Latsotsi.
Yo yamvezela ne-ID number yakhe, yamvezela everything. Wabuza ba uthi bana hayi company. I'm like, company ranwa ngubani? I-under igama likabani.
And if the company is not doing the work,
So you are
who's
convicted
reputation?
criminal.
Yeah, you can't run away.
You're ex-convict.
Sure. Damn.
And imali zabantu efanele baziya kwinkonzo zabantu. That's why I feel like even if bangaya kula relegation zone, I would be happy
Yeah.
because I've had enough about that team. Aizina even a spark like ikona la weba, and they've destroyed the legacy. That team had to sell, but at the very same time they destroyed the legacy of Bloemfontein
Exactly.
Celtics.
And if you're looking, as long as team is Tengileyo, they slowly but surely getting out of our league again.
Yeah,
As long as team is Tengi
Yeah,
status. So like Planet proves when it
Yeah,
comes to
there's-
as a sport as
there's-
Standard,
few of them that stay.
yeah.
Because City, I think, bought the status.
It's City.
Yeah, in Mpumalanga Black
Like
Aces.
Aces,
Yeah.
but they're doing something good with,
Yeah.
with what they
Yeah.
like. It's corner as tengwa one my tengelwa nje some kind of clout okanye fame. Yeah.
It's more like I think on the last podcast, or it was me and Kof, where we talk about that someone can take your business but fails to run it. Umzekelo umuntu athatha uminister wamagwinya with thousands or millions better than my bank account, but still I run into the crown. So sometimes it's not money that runs a business, but the business, you do business with people. Business don't do business with business. Business do business with people. So if you don't have those people skills, you don't have those things as it genuine, like the way you try. If you have a business that you do business with people, you'll take care of the people.
Exactly.
Then you can't take money after the people and then leave the community dead. It's that the tears of those people in trouble will haunt you somewhere somehow.
Yeah.
Your disloyalty or your shortcuts zizakuvalela
Yeah.
uphinde ubuye uzoqalela lapha back and then xa
Because she even did, I feel like she did John Maduka dirty. Wavaya, waphinda wambinga kwayena man. Besiyapho kwesibini. Health.
Umsebenzi bhuti,
Eza millions azinikwe umasipala zezi wazichankura stadium.
bethe lila
Yeah,
go boy bonus on the training ground phethwe envelopes.
awukhumbula day.
Khumbula i-30s but I didn't watch the game but I
Yo, that was horrible.
I've never seen.
Normally ngoku i-TV broadcasters, they always advise not to show certain things. Yabo, things as such as serious injury.
Yeah.
Ifan engena ebaleni while the game is on. Yabo zonke eza ways nje ya like don't give it clout. Yabo even nala way it was not supposed to be given clout but luckily it got to be seen. Yabo and then abantu bayibona. Yabo which is crazy, like it's crazy. Yeah, but like we are going to Saturday first, no?
Yeah.
What's your prediction between Stellenbosch and Sundowns, and then going to E25? What's your score prediction?
Yeah, I think 1-0, man, it's good. Stellenbosch and Gaskaya.
Yeah.
Not to say Sundowns and Beatown, don't but think of it reality. Sundowns have won.
Yeah.
I think 75 points and in the train.
Invisible.
Unbeaten.
No, like total points and we can
yeah.
You are reaching. You sometimes want to make a record.
No, say breakile. I think say breakile manelinye.
But I was sakhangela la 75 points. I think that's meant I think in 2015 go selekana nani.
Yeah, low amongst
like 75
records, yeah.
Amongst those, but it was that. But Stellenbosch is fighting for number 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they will go with it with all they have. And
yeah.
It's the end of the season. Whatever tank it's if you left with
and they don't have Nedbank to stress about.
You see, so now they can go all out on that day. So for Sundowns who still has Nedbank, which is them also it's a motivation to say if we beat or if we win here, we also scare Parades to say look out because somehow so choose where you can.
Yeah.
So I feel like Stellenbosch is gonna go through, bro. I put my money on it.
Yeah.
Stellenbosch 1-0
then
or 2-1 or some sort, but Stellenbosch
very close encounter.
And good chips. I feel like it's gonna be tough because, as I already mentioned,
mid and top.
Potential coach.
But here's a light to score a true pass. It's funny, man. The coach.
I think also it goes Chiefs back then.
Yeah.
Or Nikovic. Or Castro, like Bonka Band, like in a defense,
aeroplane football,
but why strength? So now Cape Town Spurs with strength. But for Cape Town Spurs, yes, they don't play for anything, but they're playing for contracts because those boys have something to show. I have a boy who said he's gonna put 3 hat-trick chips. Cape Town Spurs apparently Funa released the track because the final track. Track, but the power on the day.
I score.
I think.
Look, they have the DJ on their side.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But I feel like they're gonna get a surprise because Kaizer Chiefs also now if you know Pella on the penga. Yeah, but players they want to Abanye want to renew, Abanye they need a better contract.
Sold out.
Do you think
sold out 25.
Mother.
Next week you have vote.
Like Mother City, dog. Think of it's a big game. That's why.
Closing game. Yeah. There you go.
It's a game. I feel like we can.
As we have one,
need to leave at 12. Need to leave at 12.
There's a place. Ikona Papezulu. They used to go with cameras as needs. Yeah, but back in the days, I think they used to have better cameras than now. Yayenzelwe camera Papezulu ikhona kwelaqala isasebenza yabo on the west side, but on the east side ayisasetshenziswa. I was standing there on the other game le Sundowns ndayibukela kamandi game jo mangenyawo was unmindy, but like I have a nice aerial view, like a proper one, because the more you ehle etlone the more you're gonna be deprived of the game because it like stadium. There was a time I was standing at some point, I was like, and he boni touchline. I'm like, what? I bonakali, and I'm like, no man, rather than be par. So
for Chiefs, man, I feel like this is a game we can score more than 4 goals.
Woo. Yes. Woo.
Based on 2 matches that I've watched, the one for TS Galaxy, and the one for Amazulu. And also on the match of Sundowns, it's not to say we were laid back.
Yeah.
It's not to say the Sundowns being boom, but it was a matter of Sundowns whenever it goes forward, chances
especially
are.
ngoyiqala match like
That
Chiefs was dangerous. Chiefs
Yeah.
was dangerous.
that means inkomo zisiwe deep in.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then lastly, final
First of
mali
June.
yakho EP ku final.
Pirates seems hungry.
Okay.
Yabo. And I get a sense of and they are not deeper but through the little rotation
Sundowns.
I feel like ingakwazi uqhobosheka iPirates because iPirates ayizubalinda ayizukwenza lawo eba kudlalwa kwehalf yePirates and the more iPirates iSundowns isiza kuPirates funeka ize iyazi iready
Zwane versus Tito.
No, futhi
Tito
Wena- Yes. Now, what's your take on Stellenbosch, Chiefs, and then final?
Okay, iStellenbosch neSundowns, it's a beautiful 2-2 draw.
Okay.
So we're getting goals, and I mean, so celebrate.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Okay.
a 4-goal thriller or even more, but it's gonna be a draw.
Wait, my Pirates, Lala Nandon,
I'm not
because
sure.
Lala the same time.
Dlala zonke like last game of Pirates.
I'm not sure, but you can go on and check.
Yeah, and then kuyi Chiefs ne Spurs. Bantwana kuzabe kumandi man leya match. Izabe imandi leya match but the Chiefs is a win.
Okay, Pirates Lala no Sid Ramovic
Oof.
away game.
Home TS.
Yeah.
Oof.
Yebane lucky Pirates abo yoma apha go. Yoma apha ko sa stadium.
Mbombela
Yo,
full head
man.
start.
Yes,
A weekend before the final.
Yoma apha bashiya basose bashiya mayeza.
Iqhoboshe yawina ngo-1-0 yazi manje izuscora nani. Iwina without considering abantu uzuscora.
But hayi, wait, sungqama. Bayoqhobosha. Nani zoqhobosha pha?
After
Kaloku la game yakupostponiwe.
Tuesday. So nizoyetheka. No, it is a stadium.
If aniwinanga or aniskoranga yabi Pirates iskorile yazi nyani bayiqhoboshile. Qhubeka igame yena qhubeka.
Imnandi
Sanowara.
nizoyitaste ibombe.
Qhubeka kakhulu dazi I'm telling you.
Usigilele
Camera
icamera.
lobutyo.
But hayi sawuqhubekeka sesovala.
Yeah, but Ilani Chiefs is a winner. Chiefs is a winner now, but it's gonna be a close match in a 3-2. But because I'm expecting goals even a clear match because Middledorf lately is playing a nice going forward football and I wish he could come njengoba uRulan urulana by assistant ka Middledorf next season when we go.
Rulan abe assistant.
Yeah.
Middledorf.
Like Rulan has been praising the coach. Now I was like, okay,
But don't you think it's just for cameras? That guy does that thing all the time. Guys will tell the Chiefs that the Chiefs is the best team. That was for cameras.
I think also the strategy is Santa because
that's for cameras.
coaches
You would never leave that team for
anyone.
or like Middledorf ayo by assistant
Guys, doesn't make sense. That's why it's Rulana be assistant committee.
but akanovuma demoted. There's World Cup coming.
Yeah.
That's impossible.
Makazam noba ngam act as a technical ndondona add by team yakhe because I don't see Middledorf going down to Motsepe Ndondoni. I
But
see
Clinton wahla wabuya
yeah.
nemangesi ubuyilo.
Yeah, that's also a special. That's that yeah, bona
Mangesi.
ungenile amangesi angene right straight
Yeah.
yona ka. Yeah, we island ngene straight. Yeah.
Angena mangesi. General nantoni kanen general yekala weza ka
Ngena ibona kunet.
baleka le out le idlalele isikhukhune imqeni mukotsho.
Mukotsho. Okay,
Yeah,
team yakhe.
team yakhe. Yeah.
Okay. So ezodlala playoffs ithi generally
ndilibele
Royal okanye Richards bekushot iteam was i3
ndilibele but sibe ndibonile
ile university yayindaphi ikude
hayi fair
damn asina ni one cup like this hayi so i-Chiefs yawina phakule nokwi-Spurs finally this time asikwi penalties
yes
this time bazolento bazokhala amabhakaniya mamela into zakwenzeka ne kuthiwa thina siyabenefita ne
yeah
but if you can look happy team ene penalties ezininzi for the season between thina nabo uzozibonela uba happy okay yeka so mna into endiyifunayo ne umlinesman amise i-offside ayi-charge offside Pirates ibingeyo offside scoring offside iphele ngo-1-0 so nithethe because i-mistakes ezinto like why xa i-Sundowns ziyalilisa bra
ulaweza uVictor just confirmed that there are serious talks
process,
now
yeah
VAR and then I was like why people are dumb because people, there was a statement that the broadcasters have to come to the party and people were like broadcasters I'm like I understand about when you have to have VAR you have to have all camera angles
exactly.
Meaning that these guys they can't do lento bayenzayo by igame incinci ngoku bazothi gcine camera ezi3 kanye baza nezimbalwa dog awuqaphela wey i-camera zedabi azifani ne-camera zezinye match camera zedabi every
so
yabo behind the keeper
nalathi into ebidlala ne-Sundowns kwakunto engathi
le young African
usebenzwe i-VR kodwa bengakungathi
zange vele enye angle sifunayo sonke kwela goal ile okanye possible goal
cameras are very important
uVictor Gomez nami ndithanda indlela ayi-explain ngayo wathi lento uthi wathi it's like ufumana i-license oba i-pilot it's a process it's hours of training first of all when it comes kwelabicala when it comes to i-country yethu ilento i-federation yethu i-infrastructure azikabi nayo yonke but we are in the process so abantu must not expect by VAR mna don't see this is the season so
it can be introduced in big games
I was like saying kwi semi-finals with derby like it can be introduced kanjalo because that's when you can pull all the infrastructure lencinci sinayo and focus on that
because the same way introduce ngayo kwi-CAF ayikho kwi-group stages but once ufike ku-knockout
start
faka yabo so all in all next year we won't have VAR but we're gonna have a glimpse of VAR but nayo izawuthethisa kwalo VAR
people must like Ikasime MTV so that we can also go and add on the camera our cameras there
king kaloku squad selenda
preliminary can't this chonga
it's a nice squad because Mfukeni bakhona khona Mfukeni
okay we have 5 minutes let's check
hopefully akazuchopwa
preliminary
English ngoba ufike namagama amgqomgqomo
bafana
English sala English ake umka late ko
sivele phi ngokuntoni kazinti lost
I think sijonge kupha kulento kuLorenzo Nkubusikhona
Lorenzo Khola shout out to Lorenzo shout out to our friends wethu shout out to the Kosi Fan TV shout out to K News Ubonkosi Peace no but the host my guy I forgot your name Cameron
so now
I love these guys I support
shout out
every
to
guy.
you watching this thing you're sorry for basibiza abanye abantu
Okay. Keeper Ronwen Williams, Bruce Fuma, Ricardo Gos Velimutwa. Ko Sheka
2
Kubana bashekayo pa?
Bavuma no
Williams yathanda ubavuma ngule no
Bavuma no Williams because Gos bamnika chance
Yeah, and then it did that.
Hey, wakhosa.
Eish.
And then defense Sydney umntanakhe
Oh, yeah, obvious
nyana wakhe Thabiso Munyane
uyakhathwa yena.
yakhathwa ne Thapelo Morena
Uyahlala.
yahlala Innocent Mayela
Possible cut. Possible.
Mayele
Ngosinathi Bhodlela Sibisi
Uyahlala.
uyahlamba
in between wasibeke
Yeah.
Opri Mutiba
Uyahlala.
wakaleli kaveka Opri
Kwani kanene.
Opri ay
Livele midfielder / defender.
into yonke
Ungezani ngathi khona
given Musimango
I want him to stay, but
Ah,
I want him to
yeah,
stay, but he
but
won't stay.
I won't stay.
He won't stay.
Ah, he
It's
won't
just
stay.
it's just showing. Bruce is just showing.
But
You are
ndisakujongile.
spana ne.
Yeah,
So
ndisakujongile.
just
Ezinye players just to acknowledge them but ndisanjongile
Yeah,
keep on impressing me yeah
awungezani niyahlala this time.
CP ngoku Mutobi 17-year-old Mvala ayavala
But umkwena akana injury, like how did he make
Thapelo Kailicha's finest Oki
akazulenza
Akalenza.
xa kungezani akazulenza
Khulisho
obvious
Sailor Mudau
obvious
kwaloku la ship funeka iqhubile
Terence
yakhatha
nowhere to be found Mashego
bakuhlala umayema uyakhatha umashego
ingxaki la bra yabancane ingxaki mjidaleyo
and ezinye player ebeye nazo kwi Afcon
so
evidence is there.
Thabo Muluyisane
That's his
Dlalela kane
Adlala TS.
I think so is a team
I think and then he's been playing a lot of games, including one of the players abadlale every game this season, if I'm not mistaken.
but with TS yona nje I feel like
Uyakhatha.
and then who's this Siyabonga champion ngezana
Obvious. And the starting 11 kumatch in Nigeria. I think umvala nongezani. That could be a good pair. Like try it out straight up.
nice
um
because
Grant mntana ka minister Kekana
Yahlala.
Grant naye
ngoba kuthiwa uGrant noma wangatyuki manje Grant mali yakasasa engatyuki ngemali and then siya ku midfielders Tebugo spot on Mukwena
Kone injury.
injury yakhe serious uzodlala final
But bise ku second stage rehabilitation. I don't understand second or third but we
let me answer it by saying if injury yakhe grand
uzawuhlala for sure
sekhona inansike uzakhoza there is no way bam announce any
but come announcer meaning that they monitoring the progress yakhe and then Grant Mahaman
man
Mahaman
yeah Mahaman ndiyambawela man
angahlala. There is a high chance but
sise almost up finesse ikhawulezise le ngathi siyaphela ngapha yeah
B3
okay masikhawuleziseni Jaden mntana omnyama
yahlala
ahlala ayixoxisa
yahlala.
Bathusi Obas
That-
mayiphendulo nguwe le
If umkwena akekho injured uyakhathwa shem
Okay.
unfortunately, but umkwena uba akekho nguye ozothatha la nawo kamkwena.
okay makes sense Siphephelo
Obvious.
no one's fan
Yeah.
Sithole
Yeah.
player chiefs le yeza futhi
Ila international kula fake news yenu.
fake news yeah it's coming
Themba Zwane
yeah
Obvious.
uthemba mshishi bros
Devin
Titus. I want him to stay, mna, bra.
One number like
I want like pace, like pace.
Since to pray ngazubakho.
Ashwin Marsepolis.
Uzokhathwa unfortunately.
But process fethu lamshito unpredictable.
Because bebekadlala nodlala ngaye.
Patrick Tito
I
Vaswaga.
feel like
In
this is the
between
time-
kwayen.
No, I feel like Bros was gonna be challenged with the fact that Yakumbulu doctor made a statement.
Bangase badlala boyithu.
saying, I can't wait to see them playing boy two.
Bruce-
Think of it, if Kekane, like Lomjita, Mukwena can be fit and then Zidlalo, because now I'm curious to see what they can do.
Yeah.
I protect Mukwena, then Badlala must do it too, like bra.
Unfortunately,
Bra.
because we're akezwa lo.
No, they don't try to unfortunate, but both players Pagam say
Yeah.
what is an excuse?
Yeah.
Is the fact that such a still or
Yeah.
Yeah.
was both players Ziti,
Yeah,
Bros,
Yeah.
We want to play.
Yeah.
yeah.
Maskrita. Mondli Mbanjwa.
Hayi khatho. Yes Galaxy. Yes Galaxy.
Okay. Ikhram 5-a-side Reyners.
Yeah, this time shit.
I think it deserves.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's going.
Taba no Tepang Muremi.
Mas got kama like el familia.
Yeah, el
Family
family.
kama like.
Sihlala.
Akazihlala. Kusekumukhopa pa.
Samka.
Yeah.
Samka simkila sibonakali ngokuthi sizawuthetha sayigqibezela mazigqibezela. Elias
Obvious.
Mkwana.
That boy introduced himself to us.
but
Singamazi.
hima like domestically akekho but ku squad
Squad ufike was prover, yeah.
I know Lenny John it
hayi bo kubani golala hayi Lyle relegation Foster
He's coming back.
Funeka
Yeah,
afike acele uxolo
simxolele. Mna ndimxolele. Mxolele.
hayi ke evidence
Oh,
Khopadoski
Khopadoski.
Khopadoski obvious in
Percy the Lion of Judah tao
in.
Yeah, mjit. Because umntwana economy do I share moskomjit.
rilebuhile
Andamdingi umjit ndambawela.
Ratom Raifetsa
Abantu might get hurt when he get cut.
yeah he's possibly gonna
he
get
might get cut.
might.
Might get
I'm
cut.
not saying he's because umjita I feel like yes he's good but yabona yakhumbula Estene ku Chiefs. Yabona Estene wawunothi ukuthi ugood but uneza lapse. Koneza lapse ncane nje
Yeah.
like when it's critical to finish uteza mistake izinane I feel like
Yeah.
umjita nayo seneza correct.
So I need to touch up encinci nyanisile.
mna nangu mna umuntu endiqomba for me makadrojwe because andimva ndikamva
hype man prior.
Bani? Who's that?
Mankomo.
Mihlali
Makadrojwe.
Mayambela.
I agree with you.
Get the first start.
Uyathandwa naye but azodrojwa akazidrojwa but
Akazidrojwa.
akenzinto akasenzeli
Andimva
like rather kubuye lo mjita lo uhlongwane Daniel
Yeah, Hlongwane. What happened to Hlongwane?
I don't know because ilento la league
Waba-
yase Moses on and usadlala la team but ngoba squad
No Cassius.
ay
Kubani umuntu obunomfaka tasivale fast ongekhoyo.
Bendinomfaka mna fethu like kwezilight ezincane yabo kwezi strike because ndiyabawela like as much as the Chiefs ngekamnika chance lamjita but wandile duba I feel like
Bunomfaka ku squad.
Yeah, but
Ah,
Mabasa, but
But
Mabasa,
the only
Mabasa,
person
that
that's
makes
missing
sense.
Mabasa.
That makes sense. Sikhumaya let's fuck
Mabasa.
I speak on the energy and the passion. That boy, if
but kaloku ta awukwazi ungena ku squad ungaphakamisanga sound. It's in future. It's in future.
Go, but we performance.
Ngoko feeling ngathi abamdlele
Like
indlala.
you play against Nigeria and we left our most little striker, which is
Yeah,
Mabasa.
abantu umuntu abamdlele indlala. Yeah.
Yeah. But naye bengekho bekhona
Bengekho bingu
Buya Khopados, can Mabasa betwe kubuya Khopados.
libhasi
Lipas.
lifeyile. Hayi silele kakele. Kodwa tayi kanti ngilipasa. I don't know mna ndingathi kumbani shem like ngizama ucinga like ndiyazi man. Gonzalez some from Chom Gonzalez.
Kwana le light mina ile ndifile ukubona now that dimension uDuba ase uyiqala season ifuna
Yeah.
game time because that boy
Except Mayo's dropped.
Dropped. Oh no, I got that.
It makes sense.
It makes sense.
It makes sense.
Makes sense.
Chomika.
I feel like I couldn't know Kalaza this time. Last time abantu bakhalaza uBruce wabaxelele reason but now bazibonela.
Yeah. Bona la we ihlunge la we abantu bazibonela.
Bazibonela.
Even nakwa Chiefs. Because got Chiefs abantu bebekhala and then bazibonela yabona we abakho ready. Otherwise basivale emakhulumani because kucimena lena sicime singayivalanga otherwise abasasiboni nosibona ngoku banthana lento ba usamamele nangoku like uyibhoza.
Shout out to you.
Shout out to you man. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share.
and then if you watch until here please don't take
Are we when are we coming back? Are we coming back Klavegi 13 ne?
Yeah, after the
Because
final.
13 ngolesine, so we're coming back at 13. Yeah, at 13 ka June we're gonna be doing another one because that will be after a match Zoituze essay, so it's perfect.
Even the
And then
UEFA will be
kuzobe
wrapped up.
kuthethwa ke ngokuya kwi Club World Cup.
bafana abeg
I beg. Shout out, man. Shout out to everyone who's watching. Shout out to Ikeja, man. It's your boy Koff, man. I'm out here in Cape Town, Kukulete, Barcelona, Machijumen, Glauc in Paul, Songa City in
South Africa.
We're out, man.
The best intro in the country.